Your HomeLink universal transceivers control buttons are located here, and the system can consolidate the functions of various individual handheld transmitters to replace devices that operate garage doors, gates, lights, or security alarms. HomeLink is powered by your vehicle's battery and requires no other power source. Remember that you'll need all of your handheld transmitters, such as your garage door opener, to successfully program HomeLink. To get started, clear the HomeLink memory. Press and hold the two outer buttons. When the LED indicator changes from solid to rapidly flashing, release both buttons. Your HomeLink is now ready to be programmed. To begin programming, position the handheld transmitter 1 to 3 inches away from the HomeLink surface, then press and hold the desired HomeLink and handheld transmitter buttons at the same time. Do not release the buttons until the HomeLink indicator begins to flash slowly and then rapidly. Next, press and hold the HomeLink button and observe the indicator light. If it remains solid, your device should operate when the HomeLink button is pressed. If the indicator light rapidly flashes and then turns solid, locate the Learn or Smart button on the garage door opener motor. Press and release the button until the indicator illuminates. Return to the vehicle and press and hold the HomeLink button for 2 seconds, up to 3 times. This last step must be performed within 30 seconds of pushing the programming button on the door drive unit. If you have any questions or are having difficulty programming your HomeLink buttons, please refer to the HomeLink website at www.homelink.com or call 1-800-355-3515. For further functions and features, download the HomeLink app from the website. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.